Alright guys, I just picked this up from EB Games. Black Ops, Call of Duty, PlayStation 4, limited edition, 1 terabyte. A lot of words. Very excited. I've been waiting for the 1 terabyte release since the PlayStation came out. So, here we go. I'm gonna do it quick. The front of the box looks like. Well, the back looks pretty cool. Alright. PlayStation 4. Power cable. HDMI. Headphones. So I took everything out of the box, and this is everything. My controller. Feels pretty nice. The system's not as ugly as I thought. It's pretty nice. EB Games give me some free grips. Got a PlayStation Plus for 14 days. Pretty cool, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.